Happy Canada Day! This is our view from Caesars Windsor Casino Hotel. We're in room I don't know, it's the 26th floor. There's 27 floors, so we're way up there. And that was the room. I'll show you the bathroom. Gotta get some ice. We just had dinner. It's for their diamond members and 7-star members. Closet with a safe and an iron. There's the door.
So clean at that time.
This bathroom has a bathtub and a glass enclosed shower. I'll be using that later because I brought a bath bomb. I'm gonna go get some ice. It's not far, I like, because ice is very important to me. It's just me and my mom at the room now, but my boyfriend Kevin's coming. Let's see here. Oh, I gotta push to ice, baby. Show you guys a view from this window. That's Windsor. Windsor, Ontario. We have a very clear day today, and the fireworks are going to be going on in about 2 hours from now. It's a pretty big deal. It's to celebrate Canada Day and the July 1st holiday for the US, or Independence Day, I think. I don't know. Sorry. Gonna go back to the room now and make a drink. The view with the sun going down.
It's the weight of everybody. You got cases of beer.
The bridge has got its lights on now.
Drink a lot on boat.
We got a lot of boats out there. They can't go any closer to these boats here because that's where the fireworks are gonna go off.
Boom booms.
The boom booms are gonna happen. We're gonna be leaving the room soon to go down.
After that, and all the weight and everything else, I have to trim it out.
Oh, yeah?
We got our big flag. Not enough wind to keep it
An airplane, you know?
at a 90-degree angle,
All
but
this weight, the waves, and everything else.
Trying to keep the nose up.
You had to-
you'll notice
well,
there
that's
aren't
really-
any cars on the streets, and that's because the roads are blocked off.
You're in there, too? You want to see that?
Don't die, Dad. No dying tonight.
Not yet.
Not till after the fireworks. 11 o'clock, the bets are up.
It's a hot thing. I think I've gotten to the point where I'm starting to get a little asthma. Or
Down here is a private party. These tents there, they're gonna have a nice view.
sinuses or something.
And yeah, you heard Kevin. He's here now.
So much weeds anymore.
So we're gonna be headed down to exciting.
That sky looks pretty badass.
I hope it doesn't. I straightened my hair today. And I have naturally wavy hair, so it will go curly if it rains. Yeah. So there's a carnival down at the river too right now. That's why the Ferris wheel's there. It's not there all year round.
That's for the, yeah, I can leave it on.
The hot dog vendor, might have to pay attention to later.
Where are you?
So where are we gonna go?
I don't know, why don't we just walk down to the end of the street and double back through the carnival? If there's
Okay.
anything light, if there's anything cool, we can come another day.
Okay.
And then if we have to double back up here to watch the show, then we'll do that, because you get a pretty good view from here.
Sounds good. That's Caesar's Windsor, the casino inn hotel that we're staying at from the outside view. So we've got two airplanes, one with the Canada flag in,
It's the calm before the storm.
another with the American flag coming over here.
Mara what?
Our friend,
Never heard of it.
we're friends.
Be rid of the flares out.
Yay, Canada and US. Best friends forever. Our nice view. That's Detroit, the GM. Our bridge, Ambassador. And our carnival going on. We're gonna walk through that later. These clouds don't look good. Bad clouds. Here we go. actually, I think we're gonna get a drink first and then go play. I will show you a view. Isn't it nice? I know. I usually like to play either like a movie-themed slot machine or blackjack. So that may happen. Everyone's making fun of me for videotaping, but I don't care. That's just me. So this little bar is like out in the open in the like center of the casino, and it's called Cosmos. So we're gonna have a pre-game. Well, I've already been pre-gaming, but so more game and drink. So we're back in the room. Playing didn't go so well for me. I lost $40. Could have been worse. I'm not going to lose sleep over it. But yeah, we're here for another night. So tomorrow I hope to check out the pool and I don't know, maybe order some food and we can check that out. And I don't know. I will see you tomorrow though. Good night. Good morning. Well, yeah, it's the next day after the fireworks. And I'm hungry. And I got this brilliant idea to bring packets of Mr. Noodles because I knew they'd have like that coffee maker in the room. And I'm going to try just to get boiling water out of it and make Mr. Noodles. Genius, I know. The hard part's getting the Mr. Noodles out of the package one-handed. Okay. There's that. Oh, I kind of need 2 hands for this. This will be interesting. But also could be a great tip that could help someone else someday. So, just like any coffee maker, we need water to pour in the back of it. What's this? Maybe I scratched myself? Sorry, I haven't washed my face or anything yet this morning. A little greasy. Okay. Gonna pour this in the back. This is where the coffee pod like would go. Whoops. But we're not doing that. Just doing this. And there should be a go button. Oh, there it is. It won't stay down. We're experiencing technical difficulties. Please stay tuned. This is solved. The button's not supposed to be held down. You just press it and it will start brewing. Because look. Voila. I'm sure this hack will save someone's life someday. There's Kevin in bed still. Boring.
For you, lady.
We had a good time. We did play a little bit. I lost $40. I think I said that, though, last night. Memory problems.
I won $2.10.
He won $2.10. He's not, like, he didn't lose that money gambling, though. He just bought a round, and that's why round of drinks, so that's why he considers himself only up $2. He put $5 in a machine, close to, our room, like, as we were walking back to the hotel. He put $5 in the machine, and it paid out $50, so that's pretty good. These Mr. Noodles are probably going to need another cup. So on the agenda today is, I want to check out the pool. The pool's open today from, I think it said 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. So I want to go down and do that. They have a spa there too. I don't know. And yeah, other than that, just chill. And Kevin's got to go work. And when he's done, maybe he'll bring me something to eat. Supper. If I'm lucky.
Burger King.
He's saying Burger King. I don't want Burger King. He's obsessed with the Whopper deals. It's like 2 Whoppers for $6. But I would prefer not. I would actually like if we went out somewhere downtown to eat.
There's a Burger King downtown.
I don't want Burger King downtown.
There's a McDonald's downtown.
I don't want McDonald's. I want a restaurant.
I want a shawarma.
Yeah, I want to go to a restaurant.
We'll see.
That sound is the water being done in the thing, and there's only that, like, it's not submerged, so I'm gonna put more. More wawa. I just got the poop scared out of me. I went to pour more water in the coffee maker, and like poof of steam like exploded out of it, and then I thought it was gonna explode. Does anyone else like soup / Mr. Noodles in the morning, morning after drinking? Comment, because it's a go-to for me, and I'm drinking Gatorade. That's go-to beverage. Yeah, plus if we go to a restaurant, it will be more entertaining, Kevin, than just eating Burger King. Right? Right, Kevin?
Dish.
Burger King's not entertaining enough. Okay, I'll show you the Mr. Noodles when they're done. I'm brilliant! That's what I was telling Kevin just now. Bam. We're gonna let this sit. Look, a cook with me. Mr. Noodles hotel style. Yeah, we're gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes. I got 5 on it. And then we will manja. What did you guys think of the fireworks last night? I should have taken more video, but I also wanted to watch them in real life and not through a lens. My bad. Kevin, I'm bored. Entertain me.
No.
Boo. I was looking back at the fireworks footage of last night, and because I started a video with my phone vertical and then changed it, then put it to horizontal. Now the freaking videos sideways. I hope I can fix it, because that's like the only, I don't know, one of the best clips I have of that. Anyway, so not your concern. So after I've drank Gatorade and a half now and ate 2 packages of Mr. Noodles, I'm feeling pretty good. And I've got a candle lit from Bath and Body Works. It's watermelon lemonade. It smells delish. And I'm about to take a bath and use my bath bomb. I got these bath bombs from Art in the Park. It's a craft like festival that Windsor has. So this is homemade, and this one's mango papaya. And they're not like the Lush ones that's gonna turn the tub all fun, but it's still, I've used one before and it still smells really, really good. So I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll take a nap after. Who knows? It's like being on vacation. We just ate panzerottis, and now that I'm full, I think it's a perfect time to go swimming. So we're headed down to the pool now. This top is from AliExpress like last summer, this bikini top. And these are just from Walmart, like it's skirt action from a long time ago. So let's check out the pool. Now I'm in the sauna. We went swimming for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna do 5 minutes in here. It's been so long since I've been in a sauna. It's gonna get hot up in here. I'm gonna put some water on the thingy and steam it up. So I might have to shut off the video if you can't see. It's not really doing anything. I don't know. Maybe it's not supposed to steam. Oh yeah, it's steaming a little bit. Okay. I'll try to get a clip of the pool, but there was a lot of people in the pool and I didn't want them judging. Here is the pool. With again a lovely view of the Detroit River and some of the carnivals. And then behind us they have the gym. I should have went there today instead of being lazy. Oh well, maybe next time. So yeah, we'll probably go back to the room and chill some more. Kevin and I were thinking of how it would have been cool to watch the fireworks from in here because we would have had a view, and we would have stayed dry. And probably not too many people would have thought of that. So maybe next year. We gotta remember that. This is hilarious. Okay, so I've won 8.
Tower. The whole reel is wild.
Come on, come on, come on.
I'll take it.
Yeah. This is so cute. Nice. Oh,
Yeah. up symbol really gave me a boost.
Ooh,
It just keeps getting better all the time.
it sure does.
Let's haul at the moon.
Dang, I bet that's good.
Well, you were going too.
So that's really just $14 so far. Come on, big money, big money. Big money. I put 20 in the machine, so I've doubled
Much more fun than being big.
doubled my money so far.
You are now about to enter
I'm
the
playing
nerve center
Willy Wonka.
to the entire Wonka factory.
Like, wow. Pick a gear. Five free spins. Oh, that wasn't that good. This game is huge. Wowee. Look at all this action. And we have 4 spins remaining.
Here it comes.